In our bus, she bus right there.
She did in our bus, and I drive away. She was driving away, so she wasn't a threat.
It looks like murder.
Oh, them lift up the woman body at Granville. She not even that good. Shot protesting a police shooting of a 17-year-old.
See, me I watch a video, and the woman that have no gun and arm, she's no threat to the police officer. But for some reason, all me can see is the police point him gun and shoot the woman.
Fatal shooting interdicted. Yeah, we don't understand them the words that Jamaican do not talk to. We understand police charge with murder. That we want to hear. That it
God, I'm praying over this person's Tuesday. Father, I pray that you will walk with them through this day from start to finish. Father, I don't know what they're going into this day with, oh God, but I pray that you will remind them that you are greater than any burden, any anxiety, any fear, any doubt, or any what-up they may have.
What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome to the channel. I have to take the time out to big up all of the ones them who I give thanks for life, because as we're seeing at the space right now, my people, life is the greatest. You understand me? From you wake up this morning and you have life, make sure you give thanks. Whatever situation you find yourself in, life are the greatest. All who subscribe to the channel, leave a like on a video and definitely them thoughts in the comment section. The review to them people, we have a few things to talk about. I talk about the situation that unfolded on Sunday with Buju and the police. We have a few people reacting to the whole situation, my people. May I tell you, with Jamaican people, we're not happy with the police force at the minute. You understand what I say? Especially with the fact that the government still do not want the police to wear body cam, and incidents just unfold, and there is no accountability. So, my people, we have a few reactions. We are going to make us see that, but we have also Cliff Hughes. He must speak on the whole situation, my people. Who don't want to stick around and hear what I have to say. Just a quick update. We've now learned that the police who did the shooting, I wouldn't even say shooting, that is taking someone's life, but you understand what I say. The person who did that, he is now removed from police frontline duty. Now, that not sit well with me. You understand what I say? Because when me check it, frontline duty is just engaging with the public. You understand me? Him can probably be in the office right now, still doing office work. Him need for lose him job. Now me know say there is a process. Them not go take him, them not go fire him, and him not go get no conviction unless he is proven guilty. Me get that. But taking him off frontline duty does not make us happy as citizens at the minute. He need to be suspended completely. You understand me? Because him action cannot be justified. You know what I mean? So that are my 2 cents for people. I'm not going to talk too long. I've run through them video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bad.
It looks like murder. This is not how you defend yourself. And he was in no imminent danger of being run over by the Voxy. No, you see where he steps out of the way. The pace of the Voxy, yeah, is not at a speed that you could say that he is in imminent danger. Unless there's something else that I'm not seeing. And Buju is now dead as a result of this. You know, the High Command has acted swiftly. They have interdicted him, meaning that he has been removed from frontline duties. Yes? However, that woman's life is gone and gone forever.
Look at my people. Look at that. Imagine, you know? I say them thing I get me really angry, you know? Then if the woman did part, if them could have saved her life right there, so them would have killed her. The way how them a put her in the van. The way how them a put the woman in the van, by the time them carry her to the hospital, she would have dead. Them take up the woman and fling her in the van. Now what kind of thing that? What the woman do for deserve this? Na could go on. Could it? The bomber wall them can't even lock the blood. Them can't even lock the thing. I be a tire in at the back of the van with the woman life in there. Yo, them can't even lock it. And where them police I get for them training? Eh? No, tell me no. Oh, Orius Champion come tell me say them police are not fear wear body cam. There must them a situation you want to out of the public eye. The reason why you don't want police wear body cam. No, if them did wear body cam, the body cam would have show what would have initially happened for you, the police officer, shoot the woman. Secondly, the body cam would have take accountability for all of the treat for the way how I deal with the woman and chuck her in the back of the van. No, if that yo, me I tell you, yo, John was that. Me could go on. Cause people, me not think me I go finish this video, you know. Cause this a really upset me. Could I? All the back of the van up to blood clot.
Oh, them lift up the woman body at Granville. She not even that good. Shot protesting a police shooting of a 17-year-old. She don't even know if she dead good. You see how them lift her up and throw her in the van? And I'm not saying that the shooting was unjustified. I wasn't there. I don't know. But the body-worn cameras would be able to prove the officer's perspective and potentially exonerate him. However, what we do know is that a woman was shot and potentially killed at the protest of a 17-year-old who was shot and killed. Yeah.
Fatal shooting interdicted. Yeah, we don't understand them the words that Jamaican do not talk to. We understand police charge for murder. That we want to hear. That it doesn't make no sense. Me Google the word and it still doesn't make no sense. How can a man do somebody something like that and go so to take him off a frontline duty? The man should be in jail and throw the man in rascal jail and no joke thing this not serious to you. You can't treat the people them so die. Your life was not non-threat bad man. You have as much time to get out of the way. The time you take to pull your gun like a cowboy in a western show, you could have easily jump out the road. You did just want dirt the bum buckler woman. This is not right. And what you want name Horace, Wang or Chang, whatsoever you want name, all you have to be blamed because yesterday enough we had nobody camera. Up to the Prime Minister, when Andrew Wallace, whatsoever you want, you up to now you know come out condemn this bum buckler.
And it's not hearsay. And when we see with two naked eye them, I mean, I don't want to know if Buju a gun girl or if Buju bust gun. See? I don't want to hear nothing about that because all of the picture them want to post with Buju and gun, a bare American picture them there. Post a picture with she with gun pan Jamaican style. Then you no can talk to me. You see me I say? And that don't still, even if she have gun pan Jamaican style, that don't give the man the right to kill her. She did have gun at the correct moment when the man kill her and shoot her. When the man shoot her and kill her, she did have a gun because I'm kind of ignorant about the situation, so just bear with me. Yeah, come here try to calm down to get my point across the board. You see me? Anyways, she did have a gun for her, a shootout.
I true that, my people. I true that. Anybody has said that, I wrong them for say that. You understand? Because she wasn't a threat at the time, as far as what we can see on the video. You understand me? So I could go and I could listen to what she has said.
Furthermore, more know from the fat girl
Yeah, him point him on first, you know, people. That me check say him did pop off him gun. That I'm gun him did pop off, and I try intimidate her for say, yo, don't do what you gonna do. But when me replay it, I never. It's like a pint. Him did a pint, so him did a pint, and I said something to her first.
When did I say when him a pint him on panel? That more I know. Cause knowing the type of person Buju is, or knowing of the type of person Buju is, me never see him come out of the car and I get the police no attitude. You see me? Buju did too calm yesterday for dead if people know the person what we are talking about. This is a warrior we are talking about, you know, bro. We are talking about a warrior, you know, bro. I don't know, we can't we are talking about, you know. You understand? At the end of the day, bro, all of a sudden, una go say the girl they on St. James watch list. A long time them a watch her, she they on police watch list. True police kill her now, she they on police watch list. Mama tell you this, on a like for cover up things. And the cover up can't go on right there, so. It brawling with naked eyes. Is either Buju a fuck the policeman girl or the policeman a fuck one of Buju girl them?
Hold on, wait, what? Hold on, wait, what she say a while ago? So, alright, no, well, that did kind of obvious, you know, my people say, but that's not the point, whether she or whether she not. Saying? So maybe there's a motive, my people. Alright, hold on, I could hear what she say.
Bigger than just what it seems, my friend. You see me? Because if Buju didn't even drive off, you could have catch her back one next time, or you could have traced her if so be the case. She was of no threat to your life. And you can't tell me so the car didn't go lick you down in a batty boy, police boy. Because remember, you know, you turn up over here, so you know. And when you look, Buju done slant her car, you have to go, so you know. So no time at all the vehicle that neither go touch you, you know. So we want to know where you point your hand and say. Then, you don't have your gun for cock for sure, Buju. I wonder if nobody else not see that. The Matty boy, police boy, they have it up in their sleeve for Buju from probably the day before. Remember, you know, them a protest the day before Buju go with one cardboard with some things right up on it, and she say, yo, we no live with. You see me, we are live good. You see me? And I make the police them know so bad mind and a big thing, you see me? So guess what? When him see her that day, they know, see her all in her vehicle and be a girl in the vehicle, my friend. Corruption, my friend. You hear me, I tell you? Because me don't want to know what make all of the people them start vacate the vehicle. What make them start to come out of the vehicle and them thing there. You see me? Then, after them come out, me want to know if one argument did go on. Oh, everybody just come out of the vehicle and the fat girl just walk off so. That mean no argument did go on. Buju never did argue with him. So, why you shoot the girl? And you can't tell me say him not go to prison like a dirty criminal, you know. And you saw them drag out the girl out of her vehicle like she's a murderer, she's a rapist, or she's a thief. Eh? You don't see how they murder the girl innocently and just drag her out her van and chop her ground. So even if the bullet never kill her, you know. Just them whole heap of shake up there and them drag and fling her ground there, you know, my friend. Dead she dead.
That are the same thing me saying, my people. Big up, yo, are the same thing grieve me, you know, people. The same day I see the video. Me I say, what training them police, me say, even if she never did unalive at the time, the same drag up or them drag up the woman and fling her in the, you know, see the video I played earlier. So we didn't even go, but at the same thing me I say, them wicked man.
You know. Then when them throw her in the van back like she's a piece of dog shit or rubbish. Yeah, because I saw them throw her in the back of the van, you know, like a rubbish they were throwing in the back of the van, you know. You understand what I say? When them throw her in the van like she's a rubbish, you know, you don't realize that the van back couldn't lock because piece of her look like it stuck in the blood clot door. If you don't realize them flinging.
Cha people, me just come up across the video, you know. before I upload, before I go make the vlogger, and the last thing I come across, and I say I go add it. At the first time I see that video, yeah. Big up to the woman who attack, because a real thing she attack. And I hope the government there, Jamaica, see the video. I hope them see the video. Because them police, they need to go read, them need to train them again. The whole police force need to shake up.
Whatever stuck, whatever body parts are deep stuck in the door, them fling it in. Anyways, it look like it never push out at the part and the door good. When you look now, when them go so drive go down on the lane, the back of the vehicle fly open. The girl could have dropped out like one dirty dog. People, I want them to not pray what me I say. Same place right there so them kill one old man. Same place them go kill one little boy. Come back now. The girl I go protest with people, lose her 3 points. Some people that say give away her life. But really and truly, we have to stand up for one another, bro. When we see fuckery, we have to talk. And this a bluntly fuckery, bro. This a blunt fuckery, you know. Straightforward fuckery, this is going, you know. The police boy, they have to go down, you know. You hear me, I tell you, no? When them go kill the police, them will not make it seems like, or go kill the police, I should say. We make it seems like a goddamn go kill. Eh? But me tell you this, a blood run through uno, yeah? Not through uno upon the government, you, my fam. Because me tell you this, Andrew does come like him and put anybody in the force. Big man thing. Him not check them ignorance level. Him not test them before. Some of them need to sign a contract. When you put them out of the road and realize that them not fit for the blood clot force, so no kick them out. No apology, no excuse. Go suck no matter go the yard, go sit down. Let me tell you this, even some of the police girl them will avoid uniform, some of them will fuck girl. The dog shit them in a uniform. When them see the other butch them when they avoid uniform, them take advantage. Just like some batty boy police will go turn police, cause them a look revenge for normal civilian, my friend. And we are suffer, my friend. Right now, when I see bad man a kill bumbuckler innocent people like police, and I serve them via serve and I protect, but tell me which one them I serve and protect? Because when them serve and protect, by the time them reach one spot, you're dead a blood clot ready. By the time them reach a serve and protect you, you're dead already. But all them a do a kill innocent blood clot people. All them do a kill innocent people. Me no get it. The girl come out of the vehicle. She said what she said to you, and you see it? She go back in the vehicle. Everybody start come out of the vehicle now. See it? Same time you go so and say something to her, and she drive off and you shoot her. She was a threat to you. Your life wasn't in danger. Your life never in a danger. No time right there, so. What kind of investigation you not go tell me so now do? Eh? This don't need no investigation more than the batty boy police if you go down.
Police just kill a woman in a Jamaica. Them say in a Granville. See, me I watch a video. And the woman that have no gun and arm, she's no threat to the police officer. But for some reason, all me can see is the police point him gun and shoot the woman. This woman. Throw her in the back of them car like them an ambulance. Pronounce her dead. Who no pronounce that woman is dead? Who never call ambulance? Police just murder people and throw them in the back of them car. That alone should be a crime. That by itself should be a crime. When police shoot, there should be ambulance picking up these bodies. Why police are throw people in the back of them car without gun? So much unarmed young men have been dead in Jamaica since this year start. Police have taken man out of them bed because them ears say them bad. Them ears say them have gun. And when them find them never find them with no gun. But them still murder them. Them used to bad from 19 how long. And they still murder them while they are working now being a better man in their community, still murder them. Why the police them have so much leverage in Jamaica and people act like them not sick? Say the police them are murder unarmed people. People that don't have no gun. They are taking people out their bed and kill them. Take people out of them car and kill them. That woman here, up to now, I don't see the reason why I want to kill her. I can't see the reason why I want to shoot she. So, wanna tell me why I want to shoot her? These police need to be investigated. Now, we're not ready for the next kill again because we're not going back to work this morning. We're not ready for the next kill again because the government not doing nothing about it. We're not ready for the next kill again because they will never put a camera on the police officers in Jamaica because they know that they are committing crime as such that will send them to jail if they put a body cam on them. Jamaican people need to wake up. Only need to start protesting in Jamaica. Don't wait till it reach your doorstep. Them police here, only say they're not gonna move rum and boom off of the shelf. I'm not gonna start lock up people's feet. Want me to the drugs want to get the police them? These police is on drugs. No normal man now go shoot a 4-year-old pitney. I feel good I go home to film 4-year-old. And if him don't even have a 4-year-old, somebody in the squad as police have a 4-year-old. Only too comfortable and murder people, brother. Right now, we take the youth them off of the street where are the thief and murderer and put them in a clothes. A gunman police there in Jamaica. And legally now I commit legal crime because we not protect them. Let me tell you something, man. You see, there the gun them turn back pound up. When the man they start pin the gun back pound up. At that day there, you not got blood clot want to do something about it. But I tell you, I turn them fi turn the gun them back on them police boy. Them fi do it. Them fi turn them back on them. Because I not see who them a kill have a gun. So why wait till they kill Uno? You better fight for your life. Them police here in Jamaica are right. And the government now do nothing about it. So
there you have it, my people. We just send condolence to our family. That is a sad way to go out. And really and truly, I don't wish that for nobody. You understand what I say? I know I hear Andrew come out and say anything. We still await on that. You see it? And my people, we need to push for this body cam. For police to wear body cam. Because it's important. Because all them things just proves and show. So police do things behind closed door. Because God forbid that camera wasn't there. You see it? Yeah. So, my people, let's just be grateful for life. Because life are the greatest. All our loved ones, let's be grateful for them life. That them still there with we. You see it? Yeah, man. And news information are going on the spot news media. You understand me saying she was deported. You see it? Now, that's neither here nor there. What